You ever wonder what's up there?
Yeah,
You want to go check it out?
let's go.
There's our house right there, and that's where I work. There's the top. That's the first we can see. Good job.